Imagine making $20 per hour from home just by writing simple essays, articles, and research papers. No office, no boss, just your laptop and internet connection. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning money as a freelance writer on Edusson step by step. In this video, you'll discover how the Edusson application works, how to pass the writer's test, what types of writing jobs pay the most, and the secret tips most new writers don't know that will help you earn faster. And here's the best part, I'll also share how you can take your writing career to the next level with my exclusive writing course that shows you how to turn freelance writing into a consistent $1,000 to $2,000 per month income stream. So stay with me until the end because this tutorial might just be the most valuable 20 minutes you invest in your future. First, let's talk about Edusson. Edusson is a freelance writing platform where students, professionals, and businesses hire writers to create essays, research papers, blog posts, and more. Writers on Edusson can earn up to $20 per hour, depending on their skill, speed, and project type. The demand for online writing has exploded with millions of students and professionals outsourcing their writing tasks in 2025. The opportunity is bigger than ever. Why Edusson? It's beginner-friendly. You don't need a degree in English to start. It's global. You can apply from anywhere in the world. It pays fairly, unlike shady gig sites. Here you can actually earn $20 per hour or more. If you've been searching for online writing jobs, make money writing from home, or freelance jobs 2025, then this platform should definitely be on your radar. Let's now go step by step into how to apply and get started on Edusson. Step 1. Go to the official Edusson website. Search Edusson Writing Jobs or click the Apply button on their site. Step 2. Create an account. Sign up with your email, fill in basic details, and confirm your account. Step 3. Take the writing test. This is the most important part. Edusson gives you a short essay or topic to test your grammar, clarity, and critical thinking. Step 4. Verification. Once you pass, you'll submit identification or profile details to verify your account. Step 5. Start applying for jobs. From here, you can browse available writing tasks, essays, blog posts, research projects, editing work, and bid on the ones you want. Pro tip: when you first start, go for smaller, easier jobs. Build up your profile, get good ratings, and you'll unlock higher-paying jobs faster. And don't worry, I'll be sharing some secret hacks later that will help you pass the writing test and get hired quicker. Now let's dive into the Edusson exam because this is where most applicants fail. The writing test usually requires you to write 200 to 300 words on a given topic. Use proper grammar and punctuation. Avoid plagiarism. Write in clear, academic style. To pass, keep sentences short and clear. Structure your essay with intro, body, and conclusion. Don't overcomplicate. Edusson wants clarity, not fluff. Once you pass, you'll be in. From here, how do you actually reach $20 an hour? Here's the trick. Prioritize urgent tasks. These pay more per word. Specialize, focus on niches like business, law, or medical essays. Work consistently, even 2 to 3 hours a day, can add up to $400 plus per week. This is why I always say Edusson is one of the easiest entry points into freelance writing in 2025. Now, here's the truth. While Edusson can help you make $20 per hour, the real money is in learning how to scale. That's why I created my Writing Mastery course, a step-by-step system that shows you how to pass ANY freelance writing exam, how to find clients outside Edusson that pay $50 to $100 per article, how to build a portfolio that attracts high-paying jobs, and how to turn writing into a consistent $1,000 to $2,000 monthly side hustle. I built this course after helping dozens of beginners get started in freelance writing, and it's designed to save you months of trial and error. If you're serious about making money as a writer, check out the link in the description. That's where you'll find my course access details. So, to recap, Edusson pays $20 per hour to freelance writers. The application is straightforward if you follow the steps. Passing the exam is all about clear, simple writing. And with consistency, you can make real money working from home. This could be your starting point in the world of freelance writing, but remember, it doesn't have to stop here. With the right skills, you can grow beyond Edusson and make even more. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more online job tutorials, and drop a comment with your questions about Edusson. I'll answer as many as I can. And don't forget, if you're ready to level up your freelance writing journey, check out my Writing Mastery course link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Freelance career? Have you been wondering where to begin? Freelance Hub offers a comprehensive online video course for freelancers. Jumpstart and develop your freelance career. Let me introduce myself. I am a freelance video producer based in London. I've worked with clients like Google, Sony Music, HSBC, Vodafone, and Cisco, to name a few. I've been a freelancer for about 10 years now, and during those years, I've learned a lot about how to build and run my one-man freelance business. That's why now, after years of accumulating a fair amount of insight and experience, I want to share this knowledge with people that are developing their own freelance careers today, to help them make a fast and easy start. I will cover everything I personally wish I knew years ago when I started: where to begin, how to put together a portfolio, how to find clients, how to negotiate budgets, how to manage difficult clients, how to organize and run multiple projects simultaneously, how to manage the legal aspects of your work, how to better organize your time with your day-to-day work and your personal life around it. I've been working on this course for over a year, and I'm delighted to share it with you now.